it's check-out time. So I have this big room to myself. And I just got here last night. I just got here last night. So cool. I feel like I'm in one of those movies where you share a room with 16 people, and you have those little children in those dormitory schools when the governess will come at a certain point in the night, and she will say, "Children," sort of, and they and they will go to sleep or stop playing or stop what they're doing and look at the governess. And of course she always has this updo that makes her look very strict and disciplined, and she always have her eyebrows raised and ready to take out her stick for the naughty children. But now there is no governess coming, so I am calm and I am ready to speak. It's this is what the children do when the governess is out. It's so nice in here. So nice. I can't believe I'm in Switzerland. I used to just watch this on those 90s cartoon. Maybe you know the story of Heidi. And now I'm seeing maybe Heidi is somewhere in the hills, and I can't believe that I am here. I'm actually here. And I can see the mountains, those mountains with pointy tops, and the land that looks like you know, if the ocean turned into meadows, that's how the land is shaped. It's I bet if my dad and my mom and my brothers and my sisters were here, they will have the same reaction as me. But then they're not. They're not. They're very far. But yesterday, I saw a lady who's in her early 80s. And she is so lively, like none of her joints were aching. Oh. She's so not what I imagined a person who is in her 80s would be like. She still has the same sort of body movements as me, and her Her spirit is also very youthful. And then the first thing I thought of was, well, there is time. There's still time. I can still find a way or build a way to make it possible for my family to also see this. It's just a matter of not giving up too soon, I guess. And discipline. And blind faith that things will work out. And if they don't work out, then I will not stop until they do. But I am here, and it's sunny, and the world is smiling back at me.